Hi there! This guide will assist you in setting up your campaign on DropMe. Before you start, we suggest you define the following details. What is the stage of your game and the primary goal of this campaign? What do you expect to achieve? Showcasing your game and generating content? Or driving purchases and installs? How competitive is your target market? So let's create your first campaign. For a better experience, we recommend using a desktop rather than a mobile device. Sign in into your account and click on the Create button. Choose the stage of your game and click Actions to go ahead. Actions are divided into two types. Actions for impressions. Those are actions completed by streamers and drive content about your game. And actions for conversions. Those actions are completed by streamers' community and drive performance results. Impressions actions help encourage streamers' viewers to complete conversion actions afterward. For example, when streamers play your game, their viewers will see how fun it is and are likelier to complete conversion to actions to download it. Choose your first action for impression. You can customize title and description, for example, mention your game, add links, provide more details. And set prices. For Twitch-related actions, pricing is divided into tiers based on the streamer's concurrent viewers. DropMe will automatically verify the streamer's CCV over the past 30 days and send rewards only after completing the action. We provide recommended minimum prices, but you can adjust this number if you have a narrow audience, a game in less popular category, a highly competitive market, or you want faster results. This can attract more streamers to choose your campaign over others. And here you can set the number of submissions allowed by all streamers in this tier. Now let's move on to setting actions for conversions. You also have the option to set only actions for impressions if you focused on brand awareness, for example. And vice versa, you can choose to set only conversion actions if you're confident that your game is already recognizable. You have a range of Steam actions to choose from. In the settings, simply select your game from the list of all games available on Steam. We will track user activity and provide rewards only when they successfully complete this action on Steam. Once you add at least one conversion action, additional action will automatically appear for streamers to promote your campaign within their community. You can also use the API if you have specific requirements. Find the CTA with webhook in the list. Remember to change the name of the action and provide detailed instructions for users who need to complete these actions. Set an event you want to track, and we will reward users who completed it. You can read full documentation here. For mobile apps, you can use Apps Flyer in a similar way. Now let's proceed to set criteria for streamers. Once your campaign is published, you will have a dashboard where you can review all streamers' applications and approve or decline them. Fill in the information about your campaign. You can add to description images, videos, or any other information about your game. Choose the campaign start time. It can't be earlier than 7 days. This is the time needed to onboard streamers. You also need to select the end date for your campaign. If not all actions are completed by that time, the funds allocated to those actions will be refunded to your account balance. Usually 1-2 weeks is enough for a campaign. You also can create space to host all your campaigns in it. Add images to make your campaign catchy on the platform. The final step is optional. You can enable automatic key distribution to approved streamers. Select the platform and enter each key as a new line. Don't worry, only approved streamers will receive a key. Before publishing, you can take a final look at your campaign. Note that once your campaign is published, it cannot be edited. In this view, you can also review the final price, including 30% platform fee. If there are not enough funds in your account, you will be redirected to the payment page. Done? Your campaign will soon appear on the discovery page after moderation. We will also send your campaign to relevant streamers from our base.